Hi, this video is going to look at how we share the Google Forms quiz that we've created. We've created the quiz, we've added all the marks and feedback that we want, and we've proofread and checked it using the preview button to make sure it's so we know how it looks when our students will view it. Now all we need to do is get it to them. So how do we do that? Well, this video will explain just that. So in your quiz that you want to share, we'll go to the big button here that says send and click. And this is the send menu. It opens in a small window for you and you have three options. The first one here is to email. So you can add email addresses of the people who you wish to send the form to. This would probably start to get a little bit tiresome if you were trying to send it to a whole group of 20 or 30 learners. It will accept, I think, email groups. So teaching teams, for example, if you wish to send a form or a quiz out to a teaching group, the group email address would be accepted here. So email is the first option for sending your quiz. The next one is perhaps the one that is more suitable, which is getting a link to the quiz. What will happen with this is, as you can see, we've got a copy button here. So you copy that and then you can paste that link into an email or another document, another electronic document, which can then be sent to learners directly, or the people who you want to fill and complete the form or the quiz. One thing that I would recommend is just clicking into shorten URL, because it makes a much smaller link. It doesn't look as messy, it looks nicer, it looks neater in the documents that you're going to send to people. All that would happen then is when people open the email, they would have a live link to click through to complete the quiz or the form that you're sending them to. The final option here is similar to link, but it's an embedded code. So this means that rather than having a link through to the form, what people would see on the document is the form itself. It embed means it literally puts the quiz into the form, so into the document. This would be used for other websites if you're creating a website, or even into your Interact course page as well. You could embed the form into there. How to do it in Interact is we copy the code using the copy button. We go to where we want the form to show. So here, add activity resource. We go to label and add. This is the section where you can start to begin to add things to your course. If we just copy the link into here, it won't work. What you need to do is open up the HTML editor. So just click on those brackets. We can then paste the link through, save and return to course, and hopefully once it reloads, you can see that it's there for you. The reason it's not showing is because I've switched this form off from collecting responses, so it would come through there, but you can see that it has created a space in the Interact course where the form would show. So we get rid of that, and we're back then onto the form. So there's three ways of sharing your completed quiz. You can, by clicking send it directly via email, create a link through to the quiz, or embed the quiz into another platform so learners can access it directly. The next video, the final video in this course, will look at how you actually use the data that's generated from people completing your quiz. Bye.